Okay, let's go on. Describe a development in your country, like shopping center, park, any motorway, or anything like that. Please, you can start.
First, it is very fascinating subject to discuss. Firstly, I tell you about I'm living in Pakistan right now.
Hmm?
So there is a lot of facilities of development in Pakistan, like educations, health, and metro and transport system also. And so I talk about metro bus. Last day I visited Orange train in Lahore. So I saw a lot of people on Orange train, and when I sit on Orange train, I saw that there was plug of charging cables and there a lot of the dustbin here to clean up there. And I saw people there on the line. They don't man. They manage everything and they clean up here. It's a most facilitate. We are facilitate there by the bus to arrive our destination.
Okay, 1 minute 16 seconds. Main issues are grammar, especially tenses, present, past, and all that. But overall, it's fine. So you can improve further from there. Okay, keep practicing. Okay, now we go on with IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a person you met at a party and enjoyed a conversation with. Yes, please.
Well, sir, I am an introvert person, so I don't like to communicate first, and I let other people to communicate with me.
Okay.
And but last week I met my cousin in a birthday party, and he started and he called me with my name, and that conversation was very enjoyable for me. We discussed on topic like news and online games we played together. Uh, uh, we discussed also about some matches we watched on the recent month. So that was the conversation in which I enjoyed a lot, and I didn't feel bored because his way of talking and his interests were very uh, related to my interest. And uh,
Carry on a little more. Yeah.
sir, after this marriage, we took some time together to walk to a restaurant. And after this function, we went to a restaurant, and there we enjoy some meal together, and we spent a lot of time after that occasion. And he was also very glad, and I enjoyed his company a lot. And
Okay, overall it's very good, but you're taking pauses after sentences. Speak in the same way, same style, but only focus fluency. Once you're going to be more fluent, we're gonna be fine, okay? Good job. All right, topic number 7. Describe an area in your home where you feel relaxed.
I have 5 rooms in my home, and the best room to get relaxed for me is my bedroom because I decorate it according to my taste. I have curtains of dark color. I installed the RGB lights on the roof, ceiling top. I have the water bed to get relaxed whenever I want to sleep, and when I get up, I will very relaxed as I'm doing my own business, and every day is very stressful for me. So I got a massage chair, and it's also in my room. I get into it and have some massage to get relaxed. I have a 52 inches LED panel installed in front of my bed on the wall. So I watch movies when I want to get some relaxation.
Okay, still less than a minute, huh?
2-3 minutes.
So it's better to talk about area instead of facilities. Right? Yeah, that's good. I mean, you have a massage chair there, you have LED and all that stuff, but you need to mention the area. I mean, for example, if the area is living room, so say in that living room there is a beautiful massage chair and it's very comfortable. Most of the time I sit on that chair, and then you say in front of me there is an LED. Link it all with that living room. Your main focus should be living room. Okay, then it'll be better. And otherwise it's all good, but your answer is short, so you need to speak more. Okay, good job. All right, let's go on. Describe an activity you enjoyed in your free time or when you were young.
I would like to talk about an activity which I enjoyed a lot in my free time, and is cricket game, because cricket is an international game, and I play cricket near to my home. There was a beautiful track made by our government. I do this activity with my elder brother because he was very expert in playing cricket, and he also teach me to how to throw balls in front of the player. And I really enjoyed a lot because cricket play in international level and
Cricket is played
is
at
played as
international level.
international level, and cricket is also a source of to boost your stamina and confidence,
Okay.
and cricket makes your mind sharp, and cricket is also a source of exercise to doing exercise daily, and I really enjoyed a lot these games and played every weekends with my brother.
Okay, still it's 54 seconds. Okay, so 1 minute is a long time when you speak English. Focus your pronunciation whenever you do IELTS listening, and I would advise you to brush up your tenses. Okay, that'll help you further. The next topic is describe a course that you want to learn. Yes.
The course I opt in my future is a business management related studies. The institute I have the institute I have opted in my future, the Scan School of Accountancy, because it is very competitive institute and reputable institute. And Mr. Atif Abdi is my desired instructor in it because he has a nice grip on business languages and wrote many books regarding business marketing strategies. And the reason why I opt this business management studies is that I am planning to put up my business in this field, and it teach me a lot of experiences, lot of difficulties and advantages regarding this. And in his book he has wrote many
He has written.
he has written many strategies like tactical analysis, SWOT analysis, pestle analysis. So when I got a grip on this, then will study. Then I will study these subjects. Then it will be easy for me to start up my business and how to deal with the new customers, and how to maximize your profitability, and how to deal with your customer relating materials, and how to cope with the difficulties in your business. So it will be beneficial for me to how to carry on your business on the highest level.
Okay,
And
thank you so much. Overall good, 1 minute 30 seconds. That's ideal talk time. There are minor grammatical mistakes which you need to overcome. And for pronunciation, I would only say focus IELTS listening and copy their style. There should be a style in your English, okay? That's what you are missing at the moment.